Hey friends, so among my biggest goal this year was to make more than $50,000 just on YouTube revenue. But also, I had a lot of goals, as you can see right here. I said to myself that before this year ends, I'll have to make sure that I'm buying new car. I'm making more than $50,000 on YouTube, but also I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate my house. So this is what I planned for this year. So right now, let me take you inside my dashboard, and you can see how much we have made so far in this year 2024 at the small YouTuber with only 12,000 subscribers. So right now, let's dive in and see all these analytics, and you can see how much this is really going to inspire you somehow. So let's now dive in. Alright, so this is my YouTube dashboard, and as you can see right here, in January this year I gained 29,000 views and more than 400 subscribers and generated $198. That was January, and it's really not enough amount of money, but let's go forward and see in February. So in February this year I did not perform very well, and I think that was a very bad month for me, as you can see here, and I received only 18,000 views, 224 subscribers, and only $85. So I did not receive this payment because on YouTube, for you to receive your payment, you have to reach at least $100 to receive your payment. So I did not receive until the next month, which was March. Alright, so in March it was really not a good month as well. As you can see here, I received only 20,000 views and 247 subscribers, $120. So this is how much I made in March. In this time I was not making like a decent amount of money on YouTube. I was receiving too many views but not a lot of money that I was making because my channel was facing invalid traffic, and when you are facing invalid traffic on YouTube, that means you cannot make the same amount of money that you used to make before. So this is the reason in February and March I was really not making reasonable amount of money. So right now let's go to April. So April this year was really not a good month for me, and I was thinking maybe YouTube is really not for me, and right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this analytic on April. So I only got 17,000 views in April and 200 subscribers and $96. So I could really not receive this money because it was not over $100. So I had to wait for the next month, which was May. So everything started to blow up and started to change in May, and I think this was my favorite month as a YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, and I was really happy to see all this analytic, and I was so excited about this month. And the good thing is that I was facing invalid traffic for more than 6 months before. So in May I was no longer facing invalid traffic, so I started to make like a decent amount for me. And right now I'm just gonna show you how this month was. So in May I received more than 32,000 views, and you can see right here 376 subscribers. I made over $370. So for me, it was like my first time for me to earn a lot of money on YouTube as a smaller YouTuber, making more than $370. It was a really not a joke. I was really happy about this month, and I was so excited to see what the next month is going to bring out. So the next month was June, and it was also a good month for me. So in June I received 31,000 views, 336 subscribers, and made $385. I made more money in this month, and it was a reasonable amount for me. It really motivated me to see how much I'm just gonna make maybe the next month in July or August. So let's see the next month and see how much I'm gonna make. Alright, so in July things changed a little bit, and as you can see here, I had 30,000 views, 300 subscribers, and received $245. So my revenue kind of dropped in this month. I don't know why. And so right now let's go in August and see how much we made in August. Alrighty, so in August I only had 26,000 views and 295 subscribers, but also I made like $272. This is how much I made in August. So right now as I'm recording this video, it's September, and I've made more than 10,000 views, and you can see here I've generated more than $132 and only for 14 days in September. So I think maybe by the end of this month I'll make up to $300 or $200. we don't know, because a lot of things can change along the way. So right now I'm just going to show you the total amount that I made this year, and it can be a ridiculous amount of money, but I'm so happy that I made this amount on YouTube. So this year 2024, for only 8 months, and I think I can say for only 9 months of this year, I made so far $1,800, which is a reasonable amount of money for small channels. And this is really inspiring me to keep working like really hard. But I was hoping that maybe I can make more than $50,000 by the end of this year. But for now, I made only $1,800 on YouTube. And I'm pretty sure that most of you are asking right now, like, how many views I'm getting per single day. And I'm just gonna be honest with you, I'm not receiving like a lot of views on YouTube. I'm receiving like 800 views to 1000 views. I've never had more than 3000 views a day. So the reason that my channel is still small, but I can say like I'm making decent amount of money, is because I'm dealing with high profitable niche. I'm talking about how to make money, and every time that you talk about how to make money on YouTube, you can get paid $10 per every 1000 views that are just going to watch your videos. So if you get more than 2000 views, you can earn up to $20, up to $30, because you're talking about money. And this is a reason that I'm making like a reasonable amount of money on this channel. I can say a reasonable amount of money is because I'm satisfied with this amount of money that I'm making. But too bad, I had big goals this year, and I don't think that all these goals are just going as planned, because I really wanted to make more than $50,000. And I came to realize that it's really not easy to make that amount of money for small channels. So maybe I'm just gonna give myself like maybe 3 years from now or 5 years from now, maybe I'll be able to make like $50,000 or $100,000. And I'm no longer lashing to make more than $50,000 a year on YouTube, because the goal right now is to learn new stuff, to learn new skills, and I'm just gonna enjoy the journey. So maybe I'll be able to make more than $50,000 in 2 years, or maybe in the next 3 years from now. But for now, I'm just gonna work very hard, and I'm just gonna improve myself to make sure that I make better content for me to get a lot of views and to inspire different people around the world. But for now, I'm just like kind of satisfied with this amount of money that I'm making, but this doesn't make me to stop like to work hard and all this stuff. So if you are a new YouTuber and you're thinking about making money online right now, I think YouTube is a great platform that is really going to reward you for your hard work and all this stuff. So I really want to encourage you. You really don't have to give up. You can start YouTube, and if you have YouTube already, if you're getting very few amount of views, do not give up, because I remember there was a time on YouTube I was making like 100 views a month. So that means I was making like 2 views a day or 3 views a day. So you can see there are a lot of things to learn on YouTube, but do not give up. You can keep posting, you can keep uploading different videos. I'm pretty sure that you can find your own audience, and people are just going to like you and start watching your videos, and you can start making money on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and my name is David, and I hope to see you next time.